Now we're going to talk about God test Abraham. This is Genesis 22. The boy Isaac grew into a comely youth. That was Abraham's son. He was his father's son, his father's best possession, and Abraham loved him deeply. But one day the Lord said, "Abraham," and the old man answered, "Here I am." "Take your son," said the Lord, "your son Isaac, and go to a mountain in Moriah. There offer him to me as a burnt sacrifice." So early in the morning, the old man Abraham rose up. He cut wood for the sacrifice. He saddled his donkey. He called 2 of his servants, and they left for Moriah. Isaac was with them. For 3 days they traveled. Then Abraham lifted his old eyes and saw the place. "Wait there," he said to his men. "The boy and I will go ahead and worship the Lord God and then return to you." He laid the wood on Isaac, his son. In his own left hand he carried fire. In his right, the knife. They went ahead together, and Isaac looked at the wood and at Abraham's hands. "Father," he whispered. "My son," said Abraham. "Here are the fire and the wood," said Isaac, "but where is the lamb for sacrifice?" "Ah," Abraham sighed. "God will provide it, my son," he said. When they came to the place, the old man bent and built an altar. On the altar he carefully laid the wood. He took his son, tied him up, and on the wood he laid Isaac. Then he took the knife and stretched forth his hand to slay the boy. "Abraham, Abraham," God called him suddenly. "Here I am," Abraham cried back. "Enough," said the Lord. "Do not touch the boy, hand or knife. Now I know that you fear God, for you have not withheld your only son from me." A rustling behind him made the old man turn around. And there, caught by its own horns in the thicket, was a ram. Abraham seized this ram, slew it, and sacrificed it instead of his son Isaac. Together the boy and his father returned to the waiting men, and they all went home again. So here's Isaac, and here's Abraham. Okay.